Hello, welcome back for another exciting product review video. So today we will be looking into this tablet that I got it from China. Okay, it's called GAOMON M10K Pro. Alright, so let's get straight into the videos. So it's GAOMON M10K battery-free tablet. And here's the logo with some cool gold reflections. And it's a Pro model. Alright, so at the back of the case, you can see that it says battery-free energy conservation, classic like 16/10 wide design, ultra thin slick design, high quality. Okay, and it says battery-free pan, 8,192 levels. Okay, and 10 mm reading height, 5,080 lines per inch, 266 points per second. Alright, let's unbox this. First, we can see the pen tablet comes protected with a plastic cover, and it looks quite solid and overall and not too heavy. And at the back, it is written M10K battery-free pen tablet. Now let's put it aside first, and this is the cover you might need when you bring it outside. It's supposed to come with a plastic cover as well, but I lost it. Then here's the hand glove for you to put on when you draw, and the fabric feels soft and it could prevent the friction from your sweating hand with the surface of the tablet. And next, let's see what do we have in this little grey pouch. It is the free extra pen nib with the remover, and here we have the cable that connects the tablet to PC. And let's see what is inside this plastic. So it is the quick start guidebook written in different languages, and the standard instruction you'll see with other tablet handbook too. So I guess they're pretty much the same. And here's the Android phone or pad connection guide. And here's the driver download guide and warranty card. And let's put it aside first. Alright, let's see what else is in the box. So here's our main guide, okay, the pen stylus, and from here that you can see there are two buttons, and also there's a rubber for a proper grip. Then next we have this OTG connector and this plastic, and it comes with two types of head. So one of it is USB Type-C and another one is micro USB. So you can use it to connect to your phone and you can draw on your phone. Inside this grey pouch, we have this pen nib remover, and let's try it out and see. So we try to grab it, oops, and do it one more time, and it works. Okay, so you just hold the ring and then clip on it and pull it out. Okay, so it's pretty cool, small and easy to keep. And here's the pen stylus case. So it's like an envelope. You can put your pen stylus inside and it fitted pretty nice. And if you look at the tablet, so beside here there's a pen holder, so you can slip your pen inside and then it hold it quite nice. And here's the tablet cover, so we try to put it in and then you can tighten the ropes and yeah, you can bring it out. Next, to start using it, you have to plug in the micro USB to your tablet, and you should hear a click sound. And then you connect the USB to your PC and plug in like this. Okay, before you can use, you have to install a driver. So let's go to the GAOMON's website and go to support, and then look for the driver of the model of the tablet that you purchase and click download. Okay, so for instance, I'm using an M10K Pro, so I need to look for that driver and click download. And once you've finished downloading the driver, just double click to install. Once you finish install, then you can open the software to do some configuration. You can set the shortcut keys for certain functions that you need for certain software. and you can also customize a specific function for the pen button as well. And here we can test the pen pressure level. Wow, look at this tablet. So the surface of the tablet, it's pretty smooth, and the drawing active area is quite wide. And right here beside the round button, there's a lag indicator that blinks when the pen touches or get close to the surface of the tablet. And when you touch the round slider with your finger, another light blinks as well. And this is how it sounds like when you click on the buttons. The feeling is not as good as Wacom, but that doesn't bother me too much. It is just a function key. And when both hands and the pen are touching the surface, both of the lights are shown. And next, I would like to show you how it sounded when we draw on the surface. Okay, as you can hear that the sound isn't loud, and then whenever I draw on the surface, it feels quite smooth. Okay, so it's different compared to the tablets, but I feel it's pretty similar to Wacom. So right now I would like to try it on ZBrush. So I plug it in and then I try to use this tablet to finish up the creature that I have done it like some time ago. Okay, to add in some details, okay, and to test out how well this tablet can go. Okay, so I'm doing some maskings, and whenever I did the masking, that high level pressure it's up to 8K, so it gives me an advantage to sculpt things like in a more flexible weight with different pressure. So whenever I press harder, I can get the details like stronger, and whenever I press softer, and the things are really subtle, so which is exactly the way I want it to be. So I'm sculpting out the scales like for this sea dragon creature, and whenever you goes around the edge and you're sculpting through the surface of the tablet, it feels really soft and smooth. And I've been a Wacom user, and I know like this feels very similar to Wacom. So that kind of an experience, okay, with tablet, like it gives you, I'll say it's premium like quality, okay, except the buttons, like the click sounds cheaper, honestly, okay, because I own a Wacom like Intuos Pro. And also I got this, and the reason I got this because my Wacom pen is broken, and I sort of thinking like, why not? I tried the other brand, like this is the brand from China, and it actually surprises me. Okay, I would say like GAOMON do a good job. They really do. Okay, so you can see that I tried to add some details, you know, there's some dots to the surface of the sea creature, and also adding some scratches like over the face of this creature. And as you can see, like the whole thing, it's quite detailed. Okay, and with the software, I think it's pretty good. Like I don't feel any latency problems. Alright, next I'm gonna test it with Photoshop, a 2D painting software. So right now I want to test the pressure level, and I think it works quite nice with up to 8K and such a cheap price. I'll say it's really good. So right now I'm trying to draw something, okay, some cartoons, okay, and it feels really good, like it feels really smooth. Okay, so normally I do have another like tablet, like the economy cheap tablet. So in comparison in between that and this one feels a lot smoother. Okay, a lot smoother. You don't have any friction on it. Okay. and it feels like, okay, if you want to compare like drawing on paper, so of course paper have more friction, okay, so you feel that the texture, like it's rough on papers, okay, and for this one, yeah, like it feels really smooth. It's exactly like Wacom, like feel it, okay. I'm not saying good because of I got this for free. No, I didn't got it for free. This is not a sponsored product video, okay. I purchased this tablet on using my own money, and yeah, I really love this. Okay, so whenever I press harder, you can see the tones are really different, you know, like you can get a full black color whenever you press the maximum, and then whenever you press a lot softer, like you can get a very nice light tone. Okay, so this gives you an advantage for shading as well, okay. So this is a snowman that probably looks like Olaf, but he's not Olaf. Okay, he smells like that. And of course, if it still feels too strong, you can always adjust the opacity in Photoshop and give you a lot of controls with it. So overall, I think it's good in 2D. Okay, so next let's test it out, the OTG function. And we're gonna connect this USB Type-C to our cables, and after that we have to connect the USB-C connector to our phone. Okay, so after we connect it, yeah, we can use it. And right now I'm using not a software from GAOMON, okay, because they didn't develop a specific software that to kind of connect with their tablet. Okay, so I'm using a Photoshop, sort of like a express, like quick drawing software on Android phone, and I find it difficult to draw it because the size of the tablet and the size of the screen is different. Even I try to rotate the screen and make it a horizontal like landscape setup, it doesn't work as well. It doesn't detect properly, and I'm having a hard time trying to draw a circle. Okay, yeah, it's bad. Okay, so let's talk about the pros and cons of the product. Okay, so firstly, it is cheap. Okay, it only costs you 65 to 70 USD, and you can get it from the official website. Okay, and as far as I know, they are having sales right now, so this is the best time to get it. Okay, secondly, it has a large active area, okay, which has 10 times 6.25 inches. Okay, so it is large enough for you to draw anything. Alright, okay, next we have high quality level professional of sensitivity level up to 8K. Okay, so which allows you to create a professional quality of work. Okay, next, if you look at this stylus, okay, so it has up to 60 degrees tilt function, so which means you can tilt it down like this, and you draw, it still detects all the pressure. And plus, on top of that, this is a battery-free stylus. Okay, so it is good, you don't have to charge it. And as for drawing experience, it is very smooth. Okay, and it has up to 266 response rate. Okay, which it gives you no latency problems, and it feels smooth and good. Okay, so right now let's talk about the cons of this product. So firstly, the OTG doesn't really work for me, so I feel like it's very difficult even for me to try to draw a circle. Okay, and the screen on the tablet doesn't really fit with my phone. Okay, so overall it's not a good experience whenever you want to use an OTG. Okay, and next, whenever you click on the buttons, it does sound a little bit cheap, okay, compared to like premium products like Wacom, because I do have a Wacom tablet with me. Okay, so yeah, just the sound, it feels like slightly cheap. Okay, but it still serves the same function. Okay, next, the cloth cover that comes with the product it feels a little bit cheap as well, because it doesn't have the sponge in it, and I don't feel like if I put my tablet inside and it drops it's gonna protect my tablet. So I don't think like it will just break if I drop it. Okay, so I'll advise you to get a proper cover if you're gonna get this tablet. Okay, so the cover doesn't work. All right. So in conclusion, so this is still a good product. Okay, and as a student, if you want to try digital arts, so that is not a bad idea, and because it is cheap and then it's affordable, and even if you wanted to take notes during classes, it is good. Okay, and as for professionals, it's definitely worth to give it a try, because it has a high level of sensitivity pressure that allows you to achieve really good works. Okay, it has a premium build quality. Okay, and it's not bad at all. Okay, and I will definitely recommend you guys to get one. Okay, so if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and leave the comment down below and let me know what you think about this product. And if you would like more videos like this, or let's say you prefer like me to do some comparisons in between this product and the other products, and please do let me know. Okay, thanks, and I'll see you next time.